In the very first chapter of the Bible, we read a powerful sentence. And God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. In this video, we'll explore this verse's meaning, its deeper understanding, its modern relevance, and its importance in our lives today. Genesis chapter 1 begins with deep emptiness. The earth is formless, void, and covered in darkness. There's chaos and confusion. No light exists. Then, Genesis 1:3 breaks this silence. And God said, "Let there be light." And there was light. With a spoken word, light emerges. Creation transitions from chaos to order, from darkness to a beautiful world. God's first command in Scripture focuses on light. This is more than just the beginning of physical light. With light, life flourishes, and day and night are distinguished. But light symbolizes much more. It represents truth instead of lies, goodness instead of evil, knowledge instead of ignorance, and the very presence of God. Where there is light, hidden things are revealed. Confusion clears and understanding begins. When God commands, "Let there be light," He reveals His character. He pushes back darkness in our lives, physically, emotionally, and spiritually. Genesis 1:3 teaches us key truths about God. First, His power. He speaks and things change effortlessly. Second, His authority. Darkness does not resist His voice. When He speaks, it simply obeys. Third, God brings order. Light is intentional, preparing the stage for all creation, guiding plants' growth, and paving the way for humanity. Lastly, God initiates action. He steps into darkness, bringing order where emptiness was prevalent. You might ask, what does this ancient verse mean for me? We all encounter our own darkness. Confusion, anxiety, loneliness, or spiritual emptiness may overwhelm us. Genesis chapter 1:3 reminds us that God can still say, "Let there be light," in these areas. When we feel lost, God offers clarity and peace. When life seems empty, He can create something beautiful and meaningful. In the New Testament, Jesus is called the light of the world. This means God's light is not just a concept, it's a person. Walking with Jesus allows us to see ourselves and life more clearly. If Genesis 1:3 shows us God brings light, how can we open ourselves to that light? Here are a few simple ways. Pause and invite God in. Share your fears and darkness with Him. Share your fears and darkness with Him. Surround yourself with community. The Bible is a lamp guiding our paths. Surround yourself with community and those who want to follow the path. God's light often shines through others. Choose honesty. Embrace truth with God and yourself to step into the light. These steps don't create our own light. They guide us to the God who says, "Let there be light." Genesis chapter 1:3 is more than a beautiful sentence. It sets the tone for all Scripture. It tells us the world isn't an accident. There's a powerful Creator behind everything. His first act was to bring light. This shows no darkness is ultimate. His word still brings hope and new beginnings. Let's recap. Genesis 1:3 says, "And God said, 'Let there be light,' and there was light." It reveals God's power, authority, and purpose. In the Bible, light signifies truth, goodness, and God's presence. Today, God speaks light into our personal darkness. We can respond by turning to Him, seeking His word, and choosing to walk in His light daily. As you continue your day, take a moment to pray. God, bring your light into the darkness of my life. bring order where there is chaos, and hope where there is fear. Thank you for watching. If you found this encouraging, please like, subscribe, or share it. Together, let's spread a little light in the world.
Welcome to Scripture Step by Step, guided study for everyday faith. Let us open our hearts to the Word today. Welcome to Scripture Step by Step, guided study for everyday faith. Let us open our hearts to the Word today.